This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. We just had Basil and Tim Ord on today. Strongly recommend checking out what we got from them over on TFNN.com. Additionally, for Tim Ord, you can look at ord-oracle.com. And Basil will be on tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Time for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Take a look at Tesla now, finishing up about 3.91%. Quite a volatile day for it. You had some volume to the downside at the end of the day there. Of course, you always have high ticks at the end. Most of this volume, again, was in this volatility in the morning. You made a low of 217.02. You can definitely get counter trend bounces in it, but I think it's very bearish conditions for Tesla. SPY off 0.68% at 556.67. Composite flipped red as well. Man, off 0.18% at 17,436. Russell futures actually doing okay, up 0.16%. 2026, the Dow Jones Industrial trading off about 1.14%. DXY off about 0.44%, 103.37. Gold contract staying steady, up 0.91%. Copper up 2.71%. Someone asked why copper was so strong in the den. One of the reasons, I suppose I would surmise from this, is that copper is extraordinarily important in building these data centers. Speaking of that, I believe, we'll see. We'll see how this held up. TSSI, finishing up 7.56% today at 925. That did get a little bit cheap. These, of course, are Dell partners in building out data centers. Keep in mind, again, that CapEx is still there. So the expansion for these data centers is still going to happen, regardless. Now, of course, you can always get Meta, Microsoft come out and say, hey, you know what, actually, we need to preserve this capital. I think the chances of that are very low. I think they need these kind of things to be built out, or they're in a far larger world of hurt with their investments in AI prior to the investment in data centers. So that's what we got going on with TSSI. In that same kind of realm, let's take a look at Oklo. Of course, these guys are supposedly going to do SMRs up 7.64% today. I still think this is looking very puttable. They burn cash. Hey, listen, we spoke about this a ton, but we can talk some more at some certain point in the future. Folks, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. We have Tommy O'Brien on at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning for the morning market kickoff. Really check it out. It's a great way to start your trading day. Take care.